Make a great choice today with the 2014 XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, fog lights, electronic stability control, day-night rear-view mirror, automatic air conditioning, all-weather floor mats, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, body color door handles. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.